Today let's make DoubleTree chocolate chip cookies. So fun fact is that they were the first cookies to be made in outer space. So cool, right? So cream together room temperature butter and brown sugar with a stand mixer on medium, and then add in eggs, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and blend with a mixer for about 2 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Then we mix in our flour, oats, baking soda, cinnamon, and lastly salt. Blend about 45 seconds without over mixing. Now we chop our walnuts to our desired size, but of course if you're allergic, this step is totally optional for you. Now we add in our chocolate chips. Also stir in our walnuts, just until the dough is well combined. Next, we scoop 3 tablespoons of dough, or if you have an ice cream scooper, even better. Place them 2 inches apart on parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 23 minutes.